go by the name Figo. Guys, today is Sunday morning and I'm still seeing stuff concerning Mary and Lemon. Which I want to say, I'm very disappointed in Lemon. Lemon coming out again to say make Mary live in house. I'm very disappointed in Lemon. And I swear to God, I don't understand what they really happen. I promise and I join and I go tell and say, if you want me to stay, ask Mary to go. Now joy and I go tell her this talk. I swear I go bet with everything I get. Now joy and I go tell her say, since you don't want me to go, you want me to stay in your house, then let Mary go. Before Lemon go open your mouth to talk that thing. At this point, Lemon is not on his right senses because everything looks as if joy is controlling him.
My country people, muna odo. King Figo, not be say it be like said that joy want me go. Information don't reach our hand. Information don't reach our hand. The reason why Lemon they talk say, may Mary go, may come out, may go. Now joy, now they tell us say make it go. Joy best friend don't talk and don't come out, don't talk am. Say na joy they push Lemon, make it tell Mary say make it go. Because he know say this investigation where they go on, say nyash go open for outside very soon. So now he make am, he dey pursue Mary, make Mary comot. According to the information, my country people, they say joy. You know, no say I tell una say joy. The medicine when they give joy, may Lemon snap am, make it bring am come out. Now that in friend, I first talk this thing, say may Lemon bring am come out. Now joy na go buy that pikin by itself. When joy come out, come they accuse say na Mary na do am. Say na Mary na buy pikin, my country people. So all this one now, na make the joy because the friend talk and read there say he get one person when he call joy say make joy come. They want ask her some question. Say see the AK station when be say joy need to come, make it come answer some question. They want hear from joy. Now since when joy tell receive that call, they say joy come block that number. Joy not you not go where they for call am. Now that one I made joy. They run since then they pack. He want come out. He want run come out. When you see as a Lemon not let her come out. In now come they push Lemon. They push Lemon make it pursue Mary come out. So that Mary no go fit continue waiting they go on. You know go fit continue that thing. No go fit watch that name. That name when they put for a body. This guy say make I tell Mary. Make we tell Mary say make Mary forget about marriage. Say that thing when they come marry because say wetin joy do for Lemon head. Say it will take before the thing will come up for Lemon face. My country people now no say I fit tell una that they say joy stepsister fit come out come talk and say joy mama the man wey be say joy mama born for say the man fit get wife before. Say the time when joy mama take enter na so that man drive the woman comot. Before joy mama born 3 children for the man no know where he dey. Na the way Lemon you see they do rara so na so joy that man come they do. He said the time when the man come to recover himself, say it was too late, and joy mama don already get 3 children for the man. As the man realized, na so they drive joy mama comot. That girl say until today say his uncle never get himself. Say the wetin joy mama cook for that man head. Say the thing he spoil the man like papata. So until now, say that man not dey like to use eye, they see joy and him mama and the rest of the brother and sister. So now the same thing when be say that man do to joy, when the same thing when joy mama do to that uncle so. Say na the same thing, na joy still do to Lemon so. When make Lemon they pursue Mary up and down. And joy, he no want make they see the truth. Say that pikin when he carry con, say not beyond, say not be Lemon. Oh, we all know say if he go first talk and say na famous, na he be the guy when he give joy that belle. So you know say if you born that pikin, then they must surely request say make you come, make they come check and get that pikin. Now I make Joy quickly go buy that pikin. Say now I make Joy go do that thing. So that Joy will sit time, take stay for that house again. The girl now come let us know say make Mary forget marriage for now. Make Mary first fight for herself. Make Mary clean that name when we say they put for her head. Say before he go leave that house, make sure say he clean that name comot for her head kpata. Say wetin Lemon dey do, my country people. They say the girl say not be ordinary Lemon take dey do those things o. Say not be ordinary. I say by the time we be say the thing go clear for Lemon eye, he go say he go too take. Say he go too take time. So that girl say Mary, make e just try o. Anything wey no say he wan do, make e do am. Make e make sure say the truth come out. So Mary, I first tell you just now, if you know say you need your fans help, come out, make you come talk. Say see wetin you need o. Everybody go come out, they go support you. Because you dey there now, Lemon will look and say nobody dey your back, nobody dey your front. Or if he tell you say sorry tomorrow, everything will over. You need to come out, forget about marriage, forget that love. May you first remove this dirty when be say they put for your eye. May you first remove am first. So the girl say may you will be married. Say may you be careful. Say anything when make am say Lemon no fit drive you comot. Say Joy will try to do something to you. You will be married. Say may you be careful. My country people, not be small matter o. When I hear this matter, it really shocked me. Because I no just see the reason why Joy will just come in. He will just enter person's house, just scatter everything, try to take over that is he take over the husband. They pursue Mary wey be say na him meet for that house. Now Lemon dey tell Mary say make he comot. Say papa no like am, him mama no like am. Where your papa dey since all these days? Now you come dey drive Mary comot like say another thing. The time when Mary take bring that paper since then, make you sign, you no gree sign. You only draw Mary near body because of the property wey dey Mary hand. That guy even talk and reach there say now if the case not taken, say the wetin Joy dey plan now. Say Lemon before he go sign everything wey be say he get to Joy, say he no go know. Say anything wey be say na it be Mary o, na make Mary talk, make Mary quick collect am for Lemon hands. Because na Joy next plan na be that one. Joy wan try collect everything wey be say Lemon get. Lemon you come be say na he dey in control of everything. Una hear am yesterday say Joy say he no need polygamy. After Joy don fit accept am before o. Now he dey talk say he no wan comot. He say all this pack when Joy don dey pack, say Joy not ready to pack o. He say even the motor when he buy for am, say Joy talk and read there say the motor not be say no like am, he like am. But if he just accept now say he like the motor, he go be like say he dey cheap for Lemon eye. My country people, nothing wey person no will see for this life o. Nothing wey be say we no will see for this life o. Mary, you hear am just now. Wetin King Figo talk, the advice wey be say King Figo give you. May I play am for na more and listen to wetin King Figo talk.
Everything look as if say Joy is controlling Lemon. Because you know if you just wake up one morning, they say make you leave your house.
Okay.
And people calling me. People that really love Maggie. Maggie, see, make I tell you something, eh? No day for this marriage, call it that they regret them.
Okay.
Now that it's early, Lemon, my brother, and I go tell you the truth, leave this marriage and leave it for good. Because this is getting too much. Every morning, every day, every night, everywhere. This thing is the handbook of Joy. Joy wants you to leave.
Yes, I talk on just now.
That all these things that she's doing, she's just pretending.
Yes.
I want to go. I don't want to collect the car that you bought for me. It's just pretend.
Yes.
I told you guys earlier on that this girl is just pretending. She have strategy.
Yes.
Now she don't bring format. Tell him and say, okay, since you don't want me to go, you want me to stay. Then let's make it go.
Drive Mary. Now here and the same thing friends still talk.
Maybe she bring. Tell him on. Do you think other time she is refusing that car? She is saying, I want to go. Do you think it's for my mind?
I talk her just now.
When I think her mind, say to me, she won't go. She dey bring format wey she go use stay.
Yes.
Pursue make it come up for that house.
Yes.
Now why Lemon go just wake up one morning just to make it dey go? Lemon himself is not on his right senses. Lemon is not on his right senses. And I want to say something, Mary, your fans all over the world, from England, Italy, Germany, all over the world, they beg you, say, Alpha, can you come for a break? Like, they will invite you. You should come for invites. So you can spend just 2 weeks or 1 week there and have yourself, like, you get your body back. Understand? Respond to those fans. Leave the house for joy. Let her eat lemon. Lemon will be the only guy may get money for this life. A lot of people reaching out to me. Some girls in talk, Momo cousin. I know you can say anything you want to say, but one thing I must surely say is that I will speak the truth.
Yes.
You understand? I will speak the truth. No matter how I talk rich, Lemon must be my brother and he will still come and he will still be. Even if you just say in carry me for mind or anything. But I'm not really happy seeing this video this morning, Lemon posting. I called him, I said, guy, this video when I do this one, I don't like him. Family matter don't do online too much.
Yes.
He said, I'm making I give the blog and I make blogger post and I'm making I give admin. I'm making I video the thing, give admin. Why making no go video all those stuff, give admin? When you are asking her to leave, she have to video it and show to the world that Lemon is asking me to leave. Oh.
Yes.
Why are you asking her to leave? Then may you pay for her head. What is Joy doing in that house if you are asking Mary to leave? Alice come outside, they say Mary and Joy leave. Alice to have plan. She won't let Mary leave so that if they get unpack her load, she now go back, go carry Joy, enter the house.
Yes.
Joy is not your wife, bro. Joy no fit to be your wife.
Allah.
Because the same to make Joy do, Mary. Maybe saying no say Mary don't marry, he's still coming to your life. Probably if she see another man get money pass you, another man
you go say throw away you.
Okay. She go leave you self, do the same thing to that man. Any woman they do like this, they don't fit stay one place. You don't see woman they act like this stay one place. Now she don't deceive you, she don't talk, she don't know how she go take get you. Maybe pursue me, and you they pursue me. You they talk, say make you leave your house. Why? You get how you got married to. You get me pay for her head. I remember when Mary said she don't go her parents' house. You go take her house, make she don't build, you check everything. And you still there, you still apologize, make you apologize. Then you still carry Mary come house. Back. Although you small Shakara, tell her me she sleep for parlor for like 1 week. I know that Shakara, but you still accept her. So why do you enter and bring Joy? Now Joy now they control you. Joy now they control you for the house full time.
Thank God say your friend don't
because
expose her.
Nobody will tell me anything. Say don't be Joy, tell you say me you push Mary. You bought car for her, she refused. You beg her, tell her me she stay. She refused. She says she don't want to stay. She just bring it format so that people will say, hey, this girl won't go now. Lemon, I ain't no one miss she go now. Now Lemon, I ain't love her now. That's what people will say.
And what if people they talk?
But looking at the other side, no be you. This girl I just is trying to control you. This girl just doing it to just control you, make you feel that she is not after your money and all that, bro. If this girl enter your life finish, this girl will frustrate, this girl will make you regret everything. I'm just telling you this, I'm telling you from my heart because this is so annoying. Like seeing you saying this kind of thing this morning. Your mates did church. Now church is supposed to go. I'm just coming back. I go morning mass. You meet the church, help me go church, pray to God. Can't you just pray and ask God for protection, ask God for deliverance and all that? If you pray about it, man,
Dey house, joy the remote am. You no go even see I take go church because no be fault.
Man, see, a man dey pray, make man dey pray safe. A man dey kabush, dey labush, dey do everything to make sure say keep your family safe. Any man dey pray, the devil go enter in life. The devil will use and play. If you're not praying, then you will see the handbook of devil. You understand? So you chasing Mary now is not making any sense, bro. As a man, you need to calm down and make your family work, not you. In short, I don't know what to say again. Joy, if you truly claim you are innocent and you are wise, tell him on, advise him, talk to him, baby. This house that I'm staying, you have not got married to me. Go and marry me first.
Okay.
Then if you are going to go marry you, then you will get that full confidence. Lemon can just use the play me, no. You can just use the cat cruise. And if you say to use for them, go they work, you know, say you need to work, maybe you just use the cat cruise, you know, say last person go spend day with Nambegi. So act smart, act wise, be wise, be wise, be wise. All these things will go help us. All these things will go help us. All these things will not help us. All these things that we are doing will not help us. Every time this, every time that, every time shut, every time. We don't have rest again. No rest. Nobody will not be the first person to marry for Nigeria. And nobody will be last. Why every time we are too online? Every time. Maybe your fans out there, they are calling me. They say if you want to rent your own apartment, they will support you. You understand? If you want to rent your own apartment, they will support you. So if you are seeing this video, you want to rent your apartment, give me a call back and I will call the number that called me and I will tell them that, see, maybe you want to rent our apartment. If you can support her, that is fine. You can go to your apartment. You stay. After all, if you stay, and Lemon will see come find you. And by that time, I cannot be late because this whole thing, they piss me off. Think about it. Think about it very, very well. Think about it very, very well. Think about it. I'm serious. Think about it very, very well. This thing is becoming too much. Too much. Too much. This is not funny anymore. A lot of people love you guys out there. Lemon maybe say people like me, they do charity, they do things. Now you don't talk to waiting people no feel whatever see for face. You're losing it small.
Joy, this message na for you. One day, wait till you stay whole lemon, it go spoil. We dey here, they watch you.